I walk into my garden. I walk into my garden. I gently open the garden gate. I gently open the garden gate. I carry a watering can. I carry a watering can. I water the plants. I water the plants. I fill a pot with soil. I fill a pot with soil. I plant tiny seeds. I plant tiny seeds. I dig a small hole. I dig a small hole. I plant beautiful flowers. I plant beautiful flowers. I pick fresh flowers. I pick fresh flowers. I smell the flowers. I smell the flowers. I pick ripe tomatoes. I pick ripe tomatoes. I remove dry leaves. I remove dry leaves. I sweep the garden path. I sweep the garden path. I sit on the bench. I sit on the bench. I read a book in my garden. I read a book in my garden. I drink cool water. I drink cool water. I enjoy the fresh air. I enjoy the fresh air. I love my garden. I love my garden. The sun is shining in my garden. The sun is shining in my garden. The flowers look very beautiful today. The flowers look very beautiful today. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. My plants are growing slowly. My plants are growing slowly. The soil feels soft and fresh. There are butterflies near the roses. There are butterflies near the roses. The grass is very green today. The grass is very green today. The air smells clean and sweet. The air smells clean and sweet. My garden looks peaceful in the morning. My garden looks peaceful in the morning.